Gas on.
Oh, Boomer's on the one right now.
We'll find out.
It's pitch black right now. It's too dark to hunt, so we're gonna head back.
Sometimes you kind of catch them all. You're going small though, as long as you got something, huh? Hey! Oh! Who's got eaten?
Well, it's the pig's lucky day today. Boomer's going moi moi, and so are we. Tomorrow morning though, first thing in the morning. Bentos! Day number 3, and we're supposed to go fishing this morning, but the boys had a little emergency, so they sent me down here to go dive and catch something for dinner.